Ever wondered that there comes a phase in our lives when we suddenly realize that our parents are getting older and we are not the kids anymore who live under the same roof, shouting their names and calling them for each and every small thing that we want. Now we are the grown ups. We take care of each and everything. We are proud that we can take all the decisions. We don't need their permissions anymore. We just inform them that we are going here, we are doing this, and sometimes not even inform them. But then one day, suddenly the truth or maybe the reality check comes in that the parents are getting older. And then you are just drowning with that guilt that you aren't with them, you aren't living with them. If something happens, who will be taking care of them? And then, of course, the society is never ever behind, and they will drown you even more with the guilt that your parents are getting older and what you're doing. You're living in a metro city, partying every weekend, not giving a damn about that. Why? Because you want to enjoy your freedom. Nobody realizes that how difficult it was earlier when we had to leave our places, maybe for studies, for job, for career, so that they could be proud of us, so that they are not worried when we are not there what our children are going to do. At least now, they are satisfied enough that we can take care of ourselves. And let's talk about it. Let's not run away from this. We all know that if we go and we start staying with them, the warmth, the affection, the love will keep on disappearing day by day. And then you will be reminded again that why it was necessary for you to stay away from them. Not because you don't love them or they don't love you. It's important because how the individuals, they grow separately and still they want to keep the bond growing. So there are few things which definitely we could do apart from denying this truth that the parents are getting older. There are few things which we can definitely keep in our mind and we can keep on doing. Not ignoring their calls, talking to them even if you've had a hectic day, telling them about your day, asking them about their day, making them feel important, and just listening their random stories to make them feel that they are being seen, they are being heard, and they are someone who plays a really, really important role in our lives. I know, when I think of it, I just don't want to accept the truth that my parents are getting older and they might leave one day and I'll be standing here all alone. Today, I can say very proudly that I'm an independent girl and I'm taking care of myself. Why am I able to say all of this? Because I know that somewhere I am protected with a very, very hard shield. And one day, it might not be there, which I really don't want. But these are the few things, these are very, very minute efforts that you could put so that your guilt can be a little less and they could be a little more happy.